Brihadiswara Temple. The Brihadiswara Temple, also known as the Tanjavur Big Temple, is a masterpiece of Chola architecture located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Built between 1003 and 1010 CE, this temple is renowned for several reasons. Architectural grandeur. The temple's Vimana tower stands at about 66 meters, making it one of the tallest in South India. The entire structure is made of granite, showcasing the engineering skills of the Chola period. Cultural significance. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the temple houses one of the largest Shiva lingas in India and a massive statue of Nandi, Shiva's bull. Art and sculpture. The temple is famous for its exquisite sculptures and frescoes, including the iconic bronze statue of Nataraja, Shiva as the Lord of Dance. Festivals and events. It hosts annual dance festivals, particularly around Mahashivratri, attracting classical Indian dance artists from across the country. Rajaraja Chola I. The Brihadiswara temple was commissioned by Rajaraja Chola I, one of the greatest emperors of the Chola dynasty. His reign from 985 to 1014 CE marked a golden era in South Indian history. Rajaraja Chola I, born as Arulmoji Varman in 947 CE, ascended the throne after a series of dramatic events. His elder brother was assassinated, and Rajaraja took over the kingdom following the death of his uncle. Despite these turbulent beginnings, Rajaraja transformed the Chola kingdom into a powerful empire, extending its influence across southern India and parts of Sri Lanka. Rajaraja was not only a formidable warrior but also a patron of art and architecture. He commissioned the construction of the Brihadiswara temple in Tanjavur to showcase the might and grandeur of his empire. The temple, completed in 1010 CE, stands as a testament to his vision and the architectural prowess of the Chola period. Under his rule, the Chola Empire flourished economically and culturally. Rajaraja initiated extensive land surveys and reorganized the administration to ensure efficient governance. He also compiled important Tamil literary works, earning him the title Tirumurai Kanda Kolar, meaning the one who found Tirumurai. Rajaraja's legacy continued through his son, Rajendra Chola I, who further expanded the empire. The Brihadiswara temple remains a symbol of Rajaraja's enduring impact on South Indian history and culture.